Huge result for us. Obviously, we know we came here tonight knowing we needed 3 points to stay alive in the group. That was our main objective, and we got that. I felt we came in at half time. We felt we were sloppy first half, but coming back out, I think you saw the reaction from the lads, and we were played on the front foot second half.
And what was said at half time? So there was a bit of a tactical change in the second half.
Yeah, obviously the gaffer changed it there, and a few things were said within the boys. We know we demand more from each other than we probably gave in the first half. But I think as soon as we came out second half, you could see that reaction. Boys were on the front foot, looking to take the game to them, and that paid off in the end.
And your tails were up immediately. You put them under the pressure from the start of the second half, and then obviously a great debut for one substitute in particular. Talk us through how you think Ben did in the game. Yeah,
fantastic for him. I'm buzzing for him. It's a dream debut, isn't it? Come into this and to get a goal like that in front of your home fans in such an important game. Yeah, he's done brilliant tonight.
And then Moldova next. How much of a confidence boost is this ahead of that game?
Yeah, massive. We know what we need out of the group now, and we need to take it to them on Tuesday night as well. Won't be easy, it never is going away, but we'll be full of confidence from this result and looking to pick up points out there.